how to change the default SMS messaging receiving app, and this is for your Galaxy A55 5G smartphone. To change the default app, if you recently installed some messaging apps from the Play Store, you'll go here to the settings option right there. Then you can go down the list. Go down the list until you see apps, or you can type in the words default apps. That'll take you straight into where you want to go. Once in this section here, you'll see choose default apps. Then from here on, you'll go to the bottom until you see SMS app. Once there now, if you have a compatible app that you installed from the Play Store, you'll see them all here. So you can choose between one of them here. You got the Google one, Samsung default messages, or the Verizon one, or any other that you have here. Once you make the selection, in most cases, it will switch automatically and carry over the messages from the other messaging app, or you may have to start fresh depending on the compatibility of the app, or even restart your phone. But you can change these at any given time, like and sub.